How to grow your business using warriorforum.com. Warriorforum.com is one of the largest forum where all the marketers are gathering and exchanging ideas, and you can leverage all of these eyeballs to build your list and ultimately to make more sales. So let's go to the video, and remember to subscribe to the channel and go to johnpiani.com in order to get the step-by-step coaching on how to make money online promoting other people's products.
Welcome to this video course in which I'm going to talk about how to build your business using the Warrior Forum, warriorforum.com. Now this is a site where a lot of internet marketers got their start. There's a lot of information to learn from here and lots of great ways to build your business using this forum, and it's also a great way to network and get to know other marketers. So in this video course, I'm going to cover around six or seven ways that you can use to build your business using the Warrior Forum. So with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Hello and welcome to this video. This video, I'm going to talk about WSOs, or Warrior Special Offers, and why they're a great way to build your business. Now, WSOs, or Warrior Special Offers, they have a special section here on the Warrior Forum. You can just click on here, and these are, of course, this being the Warrior Forum, which is for people looking to make money online. These are offers that you put on here that are targeted towards the IM niche, or the internet marketing niche. So if you're in the health niche or some other niche outside of the IM niche, WSOs will not work for you. But it's important to point out that WSOs has helped catapult a lot of internet marketers' careers. A lot of, some people have started $20,000 businesses, or $20,000 per month businesses, just simply from posting their WSOs on here. They got a lot of gurus or big time marketers got their start by posting Warrior Special Offers on the Warrior Forum. Okay, now this is a great source of traffic, and you can tap into this source for cheap. It only costs $20 to post an offer here. It used to cost $40, but they did bring it down recently. There's about 500 pages of Warrior Special Offers here, or actually over 700. So if your listing drops below the first page, because as more offers come in, every time someone posts an offer, your offer gets bumped down. Eventually gets bumped off the first page. If you want to get it bumped back up to the first page to keep the exposure going, you'd have to pay another $20 fee. There is also an option to have your posting stay at the very top for a day, and I believe the fee for that, or the cost for that, is $200. Now, there's two types of WSOs you can post. There's free and there's paid. The paid one, which obviously has many advantages. One of them being that you're going to attract affiliates who will then drive more traffic to your offer. Not just so basically, if you attract affiliates to your offer, you're not just getting traffic from this hot traffic source. You're getting traffic from other people's lists, and you could potentially get hundreds or thousands of buyers within a matter of days or weeks. And a buyer on your list is worth 10 to 20 times more than a freebie seeker. And let's mention the obvious thing here, that if you attract affiliates, you get more sales, and you have the potential to generate thousands of dollars from your simple WSO. Now let's look at the traffic of some of these. Let's look at this guy here. These are the views in this column. This guy has over 300,000 views. This guy has 39,000. So again, this is a hot source of traffic and a great way to build your business. Now, before I end this video, let's talk about free offers quickly. If you want to post a free offer here to build your list, you know, the leads that you're getting, it's still a higher quality than from other traffic sources, such as if you were to buy solo ads or do safe swaps. Because I've done both types of offers in the past. I've done paid and free. So even when I did free offers, the list that I built through the through the free offers were still highly responsive. Another great way to take advantage of the warrior form is to advertise with them and to place a banner ad on their site. Now, usually there is a banner ad showing at the top here and also on the footer. I don't know why on my computer today it's not showing, but what you could also do is click here to view all the banners. So if you were to order a banner ad from them, your banner ad would also show on this section here. Okay, but let's go back. And if you want to advertise, you just click on the link here, advertise with us. Now, I have advertised with them before and I've gotten great results. I was advertising a bonus offer actually to this product launch, and I was driving the traffic to my blog post, and I got good results from that. So I highly recommend you use banner ads and to do some testing with them. What I found, I just copied the format of most advertisers. I noticed that a lot of people were just using the plain text at the time with no fancy images. That's what I used. I assume that's what was working. I didn't really test it with any fancy graphics like this, so if you want, you could test that out. So let's just go back and let's click on the advertise with us to see what the price is. I believe it was $100 the last time I tried it. Let's see here. 7 days it's $700. For 1 day it's $100. Okay, so it's simple as selecting what you want. If you want your ad to be on the top or on the bottom of the page, and then just the URL of the image, or actually this is the URL of where you want the links or the traffic to go to when they click on the banner ad, and then you just add your banner ad image here. Okay, and then usually it takes about a day to get approved and for your ad to show up on the warrior forum. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to talk about the warrior forum classified ads section. So right now I'm on the classified ads section. To go to this section, if you're on the home page of the warrior forum, you just go to the link here where it says warrior forum classified ads. Now this section is similar to the WSO or warrior special offers section, but there are less restrictions and there's a greater variety of products and services that you can offer in this section. For example, in the WSO section, you're not allowed to sell anything that you bought the rights to. You can only sell products or give away products that you created yourself, or if you outsourced it, but you know it cannot be something that you bought the rights to. But in the classified ads section, you could sell products that you have bought the rights to. For example, the very first listing I see here is for a PLR product, unrestricted, and the person selling this actually did not create this product. He bought the rights from someone else. Okay, and actually I'll admit that I actually bought the product from this guy here. Let's just click on this listing. Okay, simply because he's selling it for a cheaper price than the original vendor who was offering it in the WSO. Okay, so let's go back here. Let's see what type of other offers you can list here in the classified ad section. If you sell solo ads, this is where you advertise it, and some of these listings have got a lot of traffic. Look at this guy, he's got over 20,000 views on his listing where he's advertising his solo ad service. And another person has over 26,000 views for her solo ad service. Okay, another type of product you can offer here or advertise is a bonus that you're offering. If you're promoting an affiliate product and you have bonuses that you're offering, you can advertise that here as well. Let me look for an example here. Right here, my unfair advantage review and bonus Black Friday special. So this person is promoting a product called my unfair advantage, and have a bonus along with it. So they're advertising that in the classified ads section. Okay, let's look for other types of products and services. Someone is offering domains for sale. So as you can see, the classified ads section is a great place to advertise products and services that normally cannot be sold in the WSO section. In this video, I'm going to show you some other ways to use the Warrior Forum to build your business, other ways that I did not cover in the previous videos. Now, the most obvious thing here is you could do some forum marketing here. You could post some helpful comments or start your own threads, and if your information is helpful enough, people like your information and you're helping people, people will click on your link in your signature. So you could provide a link to your opt-in form, your sales page, or your blog. Okay, and of course you can also learn from the wealth of information on the site and use that to educate yourself and grow your business. Okay, now let's go through some other sections here in the Warrior Forum that you may not be familiar with. Let's just go here, affiliate program database. So if you have an affiliate program, so it doesn't really matter what niche you're in, this will apply to you. So if you're in a weight loss niche, self-help niche, forex or internet marketing niche, and you have your own product and you have an affiliate program for that, and you can advertise that here to attract affiliates. And you can also get JVs from this forum, and there's actually a section where you can find joint venture partners. So let's just click back here to the main page and go to the bottom, because that's where the JV section is, somewhere near the bottom. Warrior Joint Venture. So just click on that link. And there's lots of great threads here. I'm not going to go through them in this video, but you should take a look here to find business partners, so that you could make your work a little easier and grow your business faster. You can also reciprocate links. So if you're doing a lot of SEO, there's a link right here, reciprocal links. You can click on that. And lastly, if you provide any type of services to internet marketers or other online businesses, or you want to generate a side income by providing services to other people, you could also advertise that here in the forum. There is a section where you can advertise that called, let's see what it's called now. Now it's called Warriors for Hire. Let's just click on that, take a look. So if you're good with websites, marketing or copywriting, graphic design, you can advertise your services here.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you wanted to go more in depth and learn how to make money online promoting other people products, which is called affiliate marketing, go to johnvianney.com and put your name and email and get the step-by-step coaching. And remember to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.